As the waxworms enter the continuous blanching system, high-temperature steam stabilizes the enzymes.
The dehydration tunnel ensures the larvae are lightweight and structurally sound for the next phase.
Tagging. The partially milled Galleria Mellonella larvae material is transferred to a specialized cryogenic fine grinder. The robotic system precisely weighs the required ratio of nuts and seeds, ensuring the blend meets the exact.
A final consistency check on the waxworm energy bar base. The robotic extrusion confirms the high density and stickiness required for sports nutrition.
Process B is now active. Beginning thermal ramp sequence.
Spray time. The crude oil collected from the units flows into a massive integrated settling tank system.
The partially refined waxworm oil is pumped through a complex series of microfiltration membranes.
Unlike process A, the waxworm oil is moved to this temperature-controlled dry storage, ensuring long-term stability. The robotic forklifts ensure the waxworm energy bar base maintains its strict cold chain requirements before heading to the food manufacturers. The logistics truck, loaded with barrels of waxworm oil for specialty aquaculture feed, merges onto the highway. The arrival of Process B waxworm oil marks a crucial step in our aquaculture feed production. The blended mixture, now enriched with Galleria Mellonella oil, is extruded under high pressure, forming these dense, uniform pellets.
We inspect the density and the oily sheen from the waxworm oil. As you can see, the pellets float stably.
The specialized Process B product, derived from waxworms, is delivered to the massive open water pens via this automated system.
The high-fat content derived from Galleria Mellonella larvae ensures rapid growth. This uniform.
The specialized electronic scale confirms these tilapia have reached optimal market size and body composition.
As the analysis confirms high levels of omega fatty acids, it demonstrated nutritional transfer from the Galleria.
In this modern facility, the fish are processed with precision. As you can see, the final fillets are
Wow, that just melts in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious.
The sustainable and efficient production system is supported by specialty ingredients like the waxworm oil.
These fresh fish, raised on waxworm oil-enriched feed, confirm the high market quality achieved through specialized nutrition.
This cod is incredibly fresh. The texture is perfect because of the specialized waxworm oil in their diet, ensuring top quality and integrity. Here is your delivery of the specialized fillets, chef.
Thank you. The quality looks superb. A
perfectly pan-seared halibut, drizzled with our signature Galleria Mellonella larvae oil.
This is absolutely divine. It just melts in your mouth.
This fish is exceptional. The flavor is incredibly rich and the texture is perfect.
It really is.
This process underscores the commitment to minimizing environmental impact, linking the sustainable sourcing of Galleria.
The specialized feed, derived from Galleria Mellonella larvae, is directly responsible for this above-average growth and high yield.